remember the name Audi Quattro. It's a car that changed everything. It's a car that did not follow the rules. It obliterated them. Just imagine, a world where rally racing was predictable, where competitors clung to outdated technologies, and then, in 1980, Audi stormed in and changed absolutely everything. The fact of history is this: before the Quattro, all-wheel drive was for trucks and off-roaders. No one dared put it in a high-performance car, but Audi, they did not just dare, they conquered. They built something unstoppable, a machine that gripped the road like no other, and when it entered the world of racing, it did not just compete, it destroyed the competitors. Group B rallying was a battlefield, and then Audi Quattro was the warlord there. Its opponents' rear-wheel drive relics were left spinning in the dust, and this is the fact. Picture nowadays, roaring throughout dirt and snow, its turbocharged engines spitting flames while others fought for control. Champions like Hanno Mikkola, Stig Blomqvist and Walter Röhrl did not just drive the Quattro, they wielded it like a weapon. Multiple world championships, countless victories, and that's the Quattro. Now, here's the question: why it was so good? Why was it so dominant? And the answer is simple: power, precision and innovation. That legendary inline-5 turbocharged engine, pure, unfiltered aggression. The revolutionary all-wheel drive system, which was never used in a rally, grip that defied the laws of physics. The Quattro was not just fast, it was a force of nature. It was not just powerful, it was an executioner on wheels. It changed the racing forever. Just imagine, before Quattro, performance cars tiptoed around corners, struggling for traction, but after Quattro, they were forced to evolve or be left in the past. Every major car maker had to rethink their designs. Audi did not just set a new standard, they shattered expectations, and today the Quattro legacy lives on in every high-performance all-wheel drive cars. As the final words, I can say that driving an Audi Quattro is not just driving a car, it's commanding a legend. And remember, in life you either take control or let fate decide. Just like the Quattro dominated the roads, true power comes from mastering your environment. In my best-selling book Man of Power, which really has provoking cover, I reveal what separates leaders from followers. So read this book. And if you want to unlock the secrets of success, Psychology of Poverty, also my best-selling book, will show you the hidden force that shape your destiny. That's it.